So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to create a part that whenever you hover over will highlights just like this. So let's get started. First of all, create a part in workspace just like I did. You can name this part whatever you want. For this tutorial I will name this part highlight part. Now you need to add highlight in this part so that it can be highlighted. Now change the fill transparency to 1 and outline transparency to 0, 1 and depth mode to be occluded. Now once you have done that, go to starter player script, add a local script inside of that. You can name this local script whatever you want. Now let's assign variable to our player. Now let's assign variable to our highlight part. Now let's assign a variable to our highlight. Now once you have done that, let's now assign variable to our mouse. Now let's make a system so that whenever you hover over that part it will highlight. First we will say mouse dot move so that whenever this mouse our cursor move on the screen it will fire this event connection function. And here, so here we will say if mouse dot target, which means the target which our mouse is hovering over first, this will be our target since our mouse is hovering over this part. If mouse dot target is equal to highlight part, then highlight dot outline transparency is equal to 0. So this will change the transparency of outline to 0, else we will change the transparency to 1 so that the part will become outline back. So now once we click play, as you can see, when we hover over the part, you will see that the part is now outlined, and when we stop hovering over that part, it will not highlight. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you like, consider subscribing and liking my channel. Stay tuned and have a great day.